Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel percentage calculation easy guide. Open Excel and enter the base value in A1 and the percentage in B1, then type equals A1 asterisk B1 to calculate the amount. If you type 25%, Excel automatically treats it as a percentage or use 0. 25 as the decimal. Drag the formula down to apply it to many rows and use format cells to show percent or currency. To change a value by a percentage, use simple multipliers that are easy to remember. For a 10% increase, multiply by 1. 10. For a 10% decrease, multiply by 0. 90. In Excel, use equals A1 asterisk, 1 plus B1 to increase and equals A1 asterisk, 1 B1 to decrease, where B1 holds the percent. This keeps your sheet clean and lets you test scenarios quickly without rewriting formulas for each row. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty makes long spreadsheet sessions comfier and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair if you like them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Showing percent of a total is straightforward and visually powerful in reports. Use equals part/total, for example equals A1/B1, then format as percentage so Excel displays 25% not 0. 25. Combine that with conditional formatting to color the largest shares or add data bars for quick comparison. This approach makes trends obvious and supports clear decision-making when sharing results with others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.